What if something as simple as a sausage were actually powered by technology more advanced than you ever imagined? Behind each piece is a tightly controlled journey, AI scanners analyzing every fiber of meat, robotic mixers crafting perfect texture, and sterile chambers where contaminants simply cannot survive. Every step is calculated, every process automated, every flavor engineered for purity. Stay with us, because what you're about to see will change the way you think about sausage forever.
Welcome to the farm. We're very proud of these pigs, raised right here for the finest premium pork sausage you'll ever taste.
Watch the rail. Clear. Send the next one. Levels look good over here. All right, let's...
Scanner 7 flagged an anomaly on carcass 4B.
Acknowledged. Initiating secondary analysis now.
The calibration on lane 3 is off slightly.
Adjusting the blade speed now.
The throughput data on this line is exceeding projections.
Yes, the calibration seems stable. Let's monitor the next cycle. I've recalibrated the sensors on the master arm.
Looks good. We are well within tolerance now.
Tray 45 is showing a weight discrepancy.
Confirmed. Rerouting to quality control lane 3.
Keep an eye on the grinder intake levels right here.
Got it. Looks steady.
The calibration on the micro lasers looks good, well within tolerance.
Yes, and the throughput is up by 10% this quarter.
Keep an eye on the temperature gauge right there.
Yeah, I see it. It's running a little hot. Adjust the coolant flow slightly.
We have an irregularity on the lipid profile here.
Right. Rerunning the analysis now, the deviation is negligible.
Excellent. Proceed. Keep an eye on the temperature gauge right there. We're running a little hot.
Got it. I'll make the adjustment.
We are hitting the target velocity on the blend.
Good. Let's keep monitoring the temperature near the exchanger.
The uniformity is excellent. No blockages on the lower screens.
Agreed. The pneumatic pulse is stable.
The lean is calibrated. Check the fat ratio.
One moment, just trimming this piece. There.
There. Ratio is holding steady.
The flow rate seems stable at 500 liters per hour.
Yes, but keep an eye on the pressure near.
The blend consistency looks good at this temperature.
Yes, the chilling rate is optimal.
The delta right here is slightly off target. Adjusting the dial now. It's stabilizing. Consistency looks good. We are maintaining the required RPM.
Acknowledged. Seal integrity is perfect.
See the readout here? That indicates the current flow rate to the casing hull.
Understood. I'll cross-reference it with the automated sensor data.
Check the readout on channel 3.
984% within tolerance. Looks good.
Flow rate looks stable at 200 liters per minute.
Confirmed. Pressure is holding steady across all valves.
The pressure consistency is holding steady at 200 kPa.
Confirmed. The casing feed rate is optimal.
Check the flow rate on valve K45. The indicator is blinking.
It's within tolerance.
The segmentation rate is holding steady at 99.8%.
Scan complete. Retracting probe.
Data confirms stability. Logging the results now.
The flow rate on Bay 3 is fluctuating.
I see it. Adjusting the feeder pressure now.
All parameters optimal.
Interlocks verified.
Sequence start authorized. The optical sensors are reading exactly 150 millimeters. We're within tolerance.
Perfect synchronization. Looks good. Watch the clearance on the frame.
Got it. Looks aligned. Engaging.
Internal temperature is holding steady at 74.
Noted. Looks good.
Clear on the left.
Activating the gate.
Right at the F25 swatch.
Confirmed. The color development is stable. Check the left edge gradient at 6,000 K.
Looks stable. We've achieved the target hue depth on the sausage.
The rotation cycle looks perfectly calibrated on this batch.
Agreed. Smoke exposure is even across all racks. I'll note the timing.
Check the temperature differential on tunnel 3, where we're showing a slight variance here.
Noted. I'll adjust the flow rate from the main control panel.
The yield on the mediums is up by 2% this hour.
The adjustments to the gate timing seem to be working.
Everything looks good here. The sealing is precise.
Agreed. The new robotic arms are certainly worth the investment. Keep an eye on the vacuum levels coming out of chamber 3. We had a slight drop earlier.
Roger that. They look consistent right now, though.
The throughput on lane 3 is exceeding target by 5%.
We're looking at peak efficiency right here. The uptime has been flawless all morning.
Looks good. The wrap is secure.
Confirmed. Let's get this loaded before the temperature drops. Here's your bag. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too.
That smells incredible.
Here you go. Careful, it's authorized. That smells incredible.
Can I start eating now? Authorization. Careful, it's hot.
Wow, thanks, Mom. Smells amazing. All right, everyone, dig in. I think this batch is the best yet.
It smells absolutely wonderful, darling.
Here you go. Try this one. It's perfect.
Looks amazing. Thank you. These smell amazing already.
All right, everyone, glasses up to the perfect sunset. And
Make sure you try the spicy ones.
Cheers, everyone.
This is the best sausage I've had all summer.
And here they are, fresh off the grill. Doesn't get much better than this right here.
We just wanted to say a big thank you to all our viewers.
We appreciate your support.
Goodbye, everyone. Thanks for coming over. See you next time.